Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be recording a get ready with me birthday edition. Today is October 13th and it is my birthday. I'm gonna try to get this out very quickly, but it will be hair and makeup. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday. Hey, ow. Let's get into this look, honey. So first what I did was I misted my face with the Olay refreshing spray, and now I am filling in my brows with the NYX eyebrow pencil. Now I am cleaning up my eyebrows with the Shape Tape concealer in medium tan, or it could be tan. I'm pretty sure it's probably medium tan. And I'm taking the rest of the concealer that's on the brush, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids with it. And I'm just using a little flat eyeshadow brush to go through and blend everything out. Okay, I am using my Jackie Aina palette. And the first color I am going in with is Supreme. I'm using that as a transition color. Okay, now I'm going in with Big Wig so that I can deepen up my crease. And I also took a little bit of credit just to go in the outer V so that I can give that a little more depth. So now I am taking Trust Issues and I am putting that on my lids. And I'm adding in a little more Big Wig to deepen that out again. And I'm going back if I see places that need a little extra Trust Issues or whatever. So now I am blending this out. Okay, I'm taking Solil and I am putting that on my brow bone. And I'm just using a clean blending brush to go through and blend it. I wanted to kind of make the Trust Issues pop a little bit, so I put some on my finger and I just tapped it onto my lid. Now, I don't really wear eyeliner like that anymore, so I definitely don't do wings anymore. I just line my eyes so that my lashes can blend. Okay, now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and I am putting it all over my face. Water break. Okay, I'm trying to dig out the little concealer I have left in this Shape Tape. The bottle is empty, honey. It's empty. Let it go, sis. So I went and I got a little mini Shape Tape, but this is medium and this is too light. I got a concealer from Ulta for $10, and now I'm just gonna blend it out. And I don't mind that it's a little bit lighter because the setting powder that I'm using is the Fenty powder. It's a little darker than I'd like, and so it kind of like tones it out a little bit. So this is the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I'll have the color in the description box. And then when I contour, that'll also help it out as well. Okay, now I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using Sculpt to contour. Okay, now I'm taking a Real Technique brush, and I have a Tarte pressed powder, and I'm just setting the rest of my face and wiping off the setting powder. And now I'm just going back and I'm doing a little contour because it kind of faded away. Okay, now I'm using my Becca highlight in Opal, and I'm going to highlight for the gods. And I go back and forth with my contour brush, and I just put it. So I'm using Makeup Shayla's Proceed with Caution lip pencil in BFF 3 because we're gonna do a nude lip. And this is also Makeup Shayla's liquid lipstick that I'm putting with it, and I will have the color in the description box. This has honestly become one of my favorite combos. And here is the final look. My camera did die, so I didn't get the full look right after, but this is after I came back from dinner. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I will see you love bugs next time.